Dear friends, I'll show you how to install the Opera PMS on your local computer. So there is a two-way you can install to Opera PMS on your local computer. So I have all the installation application is with me. So you should have the right Adobe Reader and all the other application which is related to Opera PMS installation. So I have everything is with me in front of me. And there is another way. If you know the IP address or the URL, you just need to open the Internet Explorer. You have to enter that it on the URL. Okay, I have it everything with me in the PC. So I'm going to install it one by one. Here doesn't matter, you can install anything. First or second doesn't matter, you can start from third one or second one, and this is another problem. So you have to right click and run as administrator, or you have to run as administrator only. So it's installing now. You have to wait until you finish each and every old installation. So it's asking me, welcome to Adobe Reader, install the patch. They says it's a patch Adobe Reader is in your computer, continue, update. It's asking me to update, so I'm not going to update it, so just cancel. So do you want to reader to install DC install? Yes. Okay, yes, I am support DC master install. So I have just finished the DC installation and not the update or patch. And next I'm going to the next installation. Install llm.f.print. So hit right click, run as administrator. So this is the Opera print client installation actually. So Opera print client installation just finished. It will take all like couple of no just 12 seconds or 20 seconds. So just this is Micros Fidelio Opera print control installation. So this also everything will be finished very fast. So this is says must restart the computer installation. Please click OK button to restart the computer. Press again. Okay, just I'm not going to install it now or restart now. So I just finish now to get. So just cancel. So installation completed. And next one is install term registration file installation. This is the one. That means each computer have an ID which is provided by the Opera server. So this is that installation. Terminal registration installation. So terminal register need to be each terminal has to be registered on the server. So for registration we have to install this file. So in that time the server will provide a unique ID for our computer. Just cancel it. So it's asking me to restart it. I don't want to restart at this moment in the beginning, in the middle of the installation. So once everything done, I will restart and we will make it. So the next one we have to install Java. Java should be depend upon the version which is installed on your laptop, your main server. So that you have to follow. This will the vendor will provide for you. Then go to run as administrator. Just install. Okay, just click run as administrator. So Java update license is asking yes. Next, I have provided. So it's asking me to install the Java in different folder. So that means the Java is already there. So I'm not going to install that Java. It's nothing. You just need to be click next, and finish it off. Because I have installed already Java in the same version in this my computer in the same folder. It's asking me to change the location. So as of now, I'm not going to change or reinstalling the same. It's simple. Just need to click next. And next is we need to install the security certificate, SSL certificate. For that one, you have to enter the certificate information, which is already there, but still I'll show you how to do that. So if it is not installed, you can see a cross mark over here. So then install certificate. Then you have to go to the current user or local machine. So you have to choose always the local machine. Then next, then it will ask you the location where you want to install it, the location, the certificate. Then place the certificate the following store, select. Then you have to choose the second option, trust the root certificate or the authority. Then click OK, next, next, then finish. So it says the import was successful. Click OK. So the installation has completed now. Now we have to do some certain kind of settings in the Internet Explorer. Then go to Internet option, open Internet Explorer first, then settings, the settings here, then Internet option, then go to the security, then we have to go to trusted site, then need to click the site, then we have to add that particular IP URL, means Opera URL, Opera link. We have to add it on the trusted site, trusted list. Then click OK. Then again you have to go to next tab, privacy. You have to turn off the pop-up blocker. Then apply. Then you need to go to the advanced. Then you go down, down, down. You can see there is two options. All this SSL, TSL 1.1, 1.2, 1.2 should be ticked. And it says that warn me about the certificate address is mismatch. Just need to untick that one to avoid unnecessary interruption while you're doing the while operational. And okay, here that's it. And next we have to go to the control panel. Yeah, here, this is all fine. So next we have to go to the just apply, okay, and go to the control panel. Next we have to go next next we have to go to the Java settings. So that we need to go to the control panel. We need to do some more settings changes over there. So then we need to go to uh, Java. So I think the last time when we installed, the Java was not installed. That is the reason we could not find over there in the control panel. So if you go to the control panel, we cannot find that. So that means it's not installed. So in that case, that is the reason I have installed it and trying to install it again. So now it's going through. That time it was the restart was required, so we didn't restart it. So now it's going to the installation is going on. So next thing we need that so installation almost done. So it says there is already Java version 1 is there. Do you want to uninstall? If I tick and I can uninstall, so I'm not going to uninstall now. I say not now. So that is a it's because of there is already version is there. So installation is successfully completed now. Now we need to go to the Java settings. So now if you go here and if you click large icon, then Java. I think still we need to require to reboot once again. So now you can see the Java is already there. So just need to go there, and before that we need to get the URL of the our Opera PMS. First thing first, so we have to cancel the Java update. Do not check. So we don't need to update the Java because Opera PMS doesn't support the version. So you have to install the right version only, and then need to edit the site link. So we have to add the link. Just need to enter the fill your add. Then one more need to be added with only the server name added. The first line it was not added. Okay, I have added already. So this both URL you have to add. If you need, you can add the IP as well, or you can do one more thing. Copy, Control C, then add without HTTPS. Even though without the security, you just need to be add. Continue. Just add it now. Click OK. Then apply. OK. Now we can open the Opera PMS in Internet Explorer and let's see how it seems look like. So just open now Opera PMS. Now I'm going to copy paste the URL over here in the designated area. Just enter. So it's installed already. So just need to enter the username and password. See, Opera PMS is opened already, but still we have to do some more settings while doing the initial setup. Just need to go to PMS. So the Java there is asking some application access request. Uh, so need to click here, and here do not show this message again. Then need to be clicked run. So initial setup it takes some time to get it open. And it's asking me to block, so I just do not click block. So always click do not block. It might take some time, but the second time or third time when you're opening, it might more faster. So it's open now. So this is the one way of Opera PMS installation. So it's already ready to use now. Thank you for watching.